Number 6, become bored. It means to start feeling uninterested because something is not engaging or exciting.
Students become bored if the lesson isn't interactive. Students become bored if the lesson isn't interactive. She becomes bored with the same daily routine. She becomes bored with the same daily routine. Kids often become bored on long car rides. Kids often become bored on long car rides.
Number 7, become depressed. It means to start to feel persistent sadness and a lack of interest.
One can become depressed during prolonged isolation. One can become depressed during prolonged isolation. After losing his job, he became depressed. After losing his job, he became depressed. She became depressed after moving away from family. She became depressed after moving away from family.
Number 8, become excited. It means to start feeling enthusiastic and eager about something.
They become excited whenever they plan a vacation. They become excited whenever they plan a vacation. He became excited about starting his new job. He became excited about starting his new job. Children usually become excited around the holidays. Children usually become excited around the holidays.
Number 9, become famous. It means to gain widespread recognition or celebrity status.
She became famous after her performance went viral. She became famous after her performance went viral. Many actors work hard hoping to become famous. Many actors work hard hoping to become famous. He became famous for his scientific discoveries. He became famous for his scientific discoveries.
Number 10, become homeless. It means to lose one's housing, often due to financial problems or a disaster.
Families may become homeless after natural disasters. Families may become homeless after natural disasters. The man became homeless after the financial crisis. The man became homeless after the financial crisis. Organizations help people who have become homeless. Organizations help people who have become homeless.